Have you ever wondered why shared resources often get depleted? It's a classic economic concept called the tragedy of the commons. The commons refers to any shared resource where no single person has exclusive rights, like public pastures, clean air, or the open ocean. When an individual uses more of a shared resource, they gain the full benefit while the cost is spread out among everyone else. Because everyone acts in their own self-interest to maximize their personal gain, the collective result is the destruction of the resource itself. This is why private ownership often leads to better preservation. When you own it, you have a financial stake in its future survival. Left unchecked, the yield from a common resource inevitably trends towards zero as the capacity for renewal is completely exhausted. This classic quote reminds us that without rules or cooperation, individual freedom can lead to collective disaster. Understanding these incentives helps us make better decisions about shared assets, like and subscribe for more and stay curious.